Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been so inactive, but I hope you guys enjoy this bronzy summer glowy look that I've decided to do today. To start off, I'm going to be using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot to prime my eyelids. And I really love this. You can choose to set it or not set it, it doesn't really matter. Today I ended up setting it with my Fenty powder in Universal, I think it is. I don't know, whatever the white one is. And I'm using my Violet Voss Holy Grail palette, I think it is, in the shade Cool Beans. And I honestly have been neglecting this palette, but after using it, I remembered how much I love it. The only thing I will say, for $45, it does tend to crease and some of the colors do stain, but I do ultimately love this eyeshadow palette and all the colors in it. And I'm just building up these nice warm taupey orangey shades in the crease and blending them out. And then I'm using the shade Teddy Bear, which is my favorite shade in the whole entire palette. It's kind of like a plum warm brown, and I'm just blending it in very small circular motions starting in the outer corner. And I love adding this color. Honestly, if I could have any color in this whole palette as a single eyeshadow, it would definitely be this one. And here I'm just adding a little bit more into my crease just to define it and make it a little bit more smoky. And again, I'm so sorry I've been so inactive on YouTube. I've just been lazy and busy, honestly. But yeah, and here I'm just blending that upper edge just so there's no harsh lines or anything. And it's okay if it gets a little messy, because that's why I do my eyes first sometimes with some eyeshadow palettes. And next I'm going in with this shade. Oh, sorry guys, oh my god. So I'm going in with this shade to highlight, and also Thanks a Latte to highlight my brow bone, which is like a bone color, like a nice ivory, and it's really subtle though. And next I'm going in with my Georgio Armani foundation in number 5 in the Luminous Silk, and I'm already starting to run really low on it, which is kind of crazy because I feel like I didn't get it that long ago. But I love this foundation so much. Oh my god, literally so good. And next I'm going in with my Becca under eye brightener. Usually I use my finger, but lately I've been trying to do it and apply it differently, so I decided to use a sponge, which after doing so I would definitely recommend just to use your finger, as the product I feel like warms up better that way. And next I'm going in with my brow thing from Benefit. I'm still not really sure how I feel about this. I think the product is just expired and my eyebrows are way overdue to get groomed, so I don't really like how the product works on me. But I'm just using it because I'm too lazy to actually put some pomade in my eyebrows. And next I'm using my Beauty Bakerie Flower Setting Powder. And I recently got this from Ulta when it went on sale during their 21 Days of Beauty. And I do like it. The packaging is so dumb though. Oh my god, it makes such a mess. Like, honestly, I can't even with the mess that it makes, but whatever. And now I'm just bronzing up the face with my Too Faced bronzer that I love so much. And I finally have hit pan on, oh my god, after like a year. And I did recently just get a new bronzer, which you guys should see in like one of the next couple of videos that I do. I just bought a couple new products to try out, and I love them all. And next I'm going into this palette that I made on Colourpop.com, and I'm just using that peachy blush shade. One of my favorite things to do with blush is always use like peachy ones, because I feel like they complement my eye color a lot and my skin color, since it's kind of on the peachy side. And next I'm going in with my Wet n Wild highlighter, which is honestly one of the best drugstore highlighters, if not the best. And of course, my Roller Lash from Benefit. I just love it so much. Oh my god. I'm so happy that they came out with a brown version. It's like about time, people. I want to know if you guys have tried the eyeliner, because I honestly haven't, and I kind of want to try it too. And sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't, but I'm going in my Tarte Fake Awake, which is like a peachy eyeliner for the waterline to kind of open up the eyes. I thought it would be a nice little touch for today's look. And of course, lately I've been doing freckles like every single day, focusing mainly on the bridge of my nose, and I really love this product. I think it's way overpriced. I think it's like $32 for the extra large version, which is a joke because by XL, I don't know how small the original one is, but the extra large one's so tiny, as you can see. But I'm happy I got it because I do use it every day and I really do love it. And I always do the same 5 dots right on my forehead just for some continuity purposes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super simple glowy makeup. Honestly, this is like my everyday makeup. And I'm using my Lilah Be Aglow face mist. Also, total waste of money, $48. But whatever, you gotta spend it to know that it's not worth it, right? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me some video ideas because I feel like I'm being really boring lately, and I'm so sorry, but stay tuned for the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for my next one. But alright, bye!